Everybody, briefly, we are back in the shop and we have this back together. So I took the videos of me assembling the rest of it, and somebody deleted it or recorded it over something else. So that's kind of unfortunate, but it kind of is what it is. I can't really do anything about it as of right now. But we have this freshly, you can probably see it better on the other side, freshly redone cylinder. It has a 0.5 millimeter overbore right now, just because there was some stuff there and I didn't, and I needed to replace the piston. Couldn't find any that were really cheap, that were the regular ones, or not regular, but just 50 millimeters. So this is going to be the first start. So this is a 1977 Honda CT90. I had it on the battery charger for a little bit, just to kind of just to charge the battery because it hasn't been running in a bit. So I will turn the key, show all that, and then set up the camera. So if we turn on the key, we have the neutral light and the headlight goes on. The brake light is working. Can't really see it that well, but it is. So I'm going to set up the camera and then we'll give it a couple kicks. No starting fluid or anything like that. I just had that there, just in case I want to try that. So we're gonna kick it slow, just get it to top dead center, and then so there we go. Needs a bit of adjusting, because obviously it doesn't idle. So now that's left, I need to reinstall this battery compartment cover, the plastics that go over here, skid plate and foot pegs, which I have all those parts over here on this table. I'm just going to give them probably a little bit of a clean, because there's some gunk on there that I don't want. So do that, and then should be all good to go for now. But it's pretty exciting that it works. I'm gonna start it up again just for fun. Okay, so checking that, all of the lights are in operation. We have the turn signals here. That's the left one, the right one, and then I don't know how easy that is to see. Yeah, there we go. But brakes too.